Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video we're going to show you how to replace the camshaft position sensors on a Mercedes. This is typically the common codes that you'll see with these will be like P0016 or P0017. But anyway, you got two camshaft position sensor because this is a dual overhead cam. You have intake position sensor, you have outlet position sensor or exhaust, and the same thing you have on the other side. Okay, so the passenger side is really simple. You don't really have to take off anything, but here on the driver's side you have the power steering reservoir that's on the way. So if you're doing the intake position sensor on the driver's side, this bolt you can't get to it. Okay, that's possible to get to that, but this one down here you'll have to take the power steering reservoir, and we do have a video on that step by step, but just a quick overview on how you take the power steering reservoir is you have these T30 bolts, 1, 2, and 1 here in the center, 3. So you take these bolts out. Before you take the bolts out, make sure to remove all the power steering fluid from the reservoir. On the back you have a clip that you need to pull. You have this, and you use a pickup tool like this one, and you pull on that, and that removes it, and it's right down here. You need to use a flashlight to pull this off, and then pull this forward and down. You can see where that goes right there. It goes like so, and over there. You might want to have a spare of these because it could fall down and then you might lose it. So, but once you remove that, then getting to these sensors is very easy. They are E8, but a 1/4-inch 6-point socket also works, but you simply remove the bolts. We're replacing both in this case. And then we need to disconnect the electrical connectors. You'd have to press on this gray thing, press and then pull that up, press and pull it up. That's just for unlocking, okay? But then you press on it and then pull the connector out. Same thing with this, press and then pull the connector out. Okay, so we'll do that. Take the sensor, just pull it forward. It's really that simple. There's some buildup on this right here. I'm trying to clean that up because when you put the new sensor in, you don't want to have any oil leaks there. And then if you want to avoid letting those debris go inside the engine, you just want to pull them out. Okay. The upper one seems pretty clean. Okay, so you take the new sensors. The thing you want to make sure is that the O-ring from the old sensor came out. We take the new sensor. Okay, so we're getting ready to install these sensors. Put a little bit of oil on this O-ring so it makes it easy for that to go in. So I push that in. And then you do want to torque this to spec, otherwise you're going to end up with oil leaks over here. And then for spec details, look at our step-by-step instructions. We should have that in there. Alright, so here's the other sensor. We loop that O-ring a little bit. And then we'll take that and install it. And then you'll connect these electrical connectors, and you press that down to lock that. And the same thing over here, you press that down as well. And that's it. Yeah, you want to reinstall the power steering pump. and then fill it up. Thanks for watching.